Green tea is the healthiest beverage on the planet. It is loaded with the antioxidants and nutrients that have powerful effects on the body. These includes improved brain function, fat loss, and lower risk of cancer and many other impressive benefits. Drink green tea in the morning around 11 to 12 a.m. or early at night. You can drink a cup of green tea between meals, for example, 2 hours before or after the maximize the nutrients intake and iron absorption. Green tea also help you lose fat, especially harmful abdominal fat. When it comes to actual pounds lost, the effect of green tea are relatively modest. Although many studies show that people do in fact lose weight, there are also some studies showing no effects.